Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. If you're new, hi, I'm Shreya. I make beauty related videos and fun challenge videos. So welcome to my channel. Also, if you're new, subscribe to my channel to become a part of the Potato fam. So today's video is gonna be mostly talking. I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'm gonna answer some of your questions. So there is a friend of mine whose sister is like a crazy huge fan. Not bragging, but she's been telling me to do a Q&A for a really long time. So I asked her saying, if you want a Q&A, you give me the questions so that I can jot down the questions I want and I can answer to you guys. So she's given me a list of questions, so that's what I'm going to be answering today. So the first question she's asked me was, when did I first think of starting my YouTube channel? Actually, this question has been asked by a lot of my friends. I don't have like a specific date, but I always wanted to do something on and off my own. But this YouTube, this thing came because of the quarantine. I wanted to do it before the quarantine, but I had like a lot of college work and I had VLCC and all that, so even that got so messed up. So I just didn't want like I didn't want to like start YouTube and then give it like a huge break and then continue it. I just wanted to keep on going, so here I am with my YouTube channel. So the next question she's asked is, have I ever failed in an exam? I don't think I've ever failed in an exam, at least of what I recollect. I did actually in 11th. It was like a cycle test, CIA or whatever you want to call it, like goody exams you get, right, for like 30 marks or something. So that in that, I think in economics or statistics is what I failed in. And I was not really good in reading and writing Hindi. I was very fluent in talking, but I could not read and write Hindi. But I don't think I've ever failed Hindi, but I remember failing statistics or economics. I don't remember which subject, but it was statistics or economics, one of them. So in college, my college is a Muslim college. I study in SIT. I used to study in SIT. So, I still study in SIT. I haven't given my last semesters yet. So, the college, the clothes I wear to college is mostly Indo-Western. Like my department is okay. Like they're kind of lenient. So I wear jeans, short kurtas, sometimes long kurtas, sometimes leggings with long kurtas. So it's mostly Indo-Western, but mostly like Indian. So she's asked me who was my best friend in school. I rather say who is my best friend in school. So there are two people. Like I am the person who does not share anything to anyone easily. So I feel like the smaller your friend circle is, the better it is, because you won't get any fake friends around you. So there are two people. One is Deepika and one is Riva. I think we met in the 5th grade and we are still friends. I think we've been friends for around 12 years now. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking according to my math. But yeah, they are still my friends and I still keep in contact with them and we still talk to each other. Even though one of our, like Deepika, is in Kerala, she's doing her college there, she's doing MBBS there. So we still do communicate with her. And yeah, what's something I tried and I don't want to try? I need a lot of thinking into this. I really need to think. Okay, so I finally found something. I have tried to maintain a Facebook account, but I don't know how. Every time it gets hacked or it's I don't know, it's just something fishy happens on Facebook and I never ever want to make a Facebook account ever again. The first time I made a Facebook account was around when I was in ninth. I quit after that, and recently I joined and I again deactivated my account, permanently deactivated my account, and I'm never ever gonna make a Facebook account ever in my life again. I have pranked many people. I can't even number the people I've pranked. I mean, I used to, my friend taught me, like, I'm not gonna blame myself, but yeah, my friend taught me there's this app where you call and your number shows to them differently. So it'll be like you're getting a call from the US or something. So we always talk all nonsense and then just hype them up, and then we'll be laughing in the background. I've also pranked my mom and dad. I don't remember when, but I definitely have. So yeah, I have pranked a million of people. I honestly hate doing chores at home, but if you give me like one thing to do which I absolutely hate, it is wiping the table after eating, or in fact, even wiping any table like with the wet cloth. I don't know, I just get very grossed out of that. I can even wash vessels if you give me, but I cannot wipe the table with that the cloth. So yeah, I absolutely love making YouTube videos, but the only thing is I get very lazy because I have like, my room is very small, so I have to like literally shift the bed from that side to this side, sit on it, put the backdrop, which is a pain. Like some of my bed sheets, this is a bed sheet, so some of my bed sheets don't even hang from this side to this side, which is really annoying. I have to set up the lights, I have to put like a different what is that called, the extension, cord extension, so that both the lights fit there, move the tables, bring my makeup. But in spite of that, I just love making videos. And I don't know why I said that as a broken record, but I just love making videos. So the last question she's given me is, who is my favorite YouTuber? So I have two favorites. I can't really decide between them. One is Mridul Sharma and Anam Chashmawala. I will link both their accounts, like Instagram accounts and their YouTubes, down in the description box. Please do check them out and subscribe, because they are literally very good YouTubers, and like they literally inspire me. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this Q&A session with me. If you want me to do more Q&As, please reply to my stories I post on Instagram, so that I at least get some questions and I can reply to them. So yeah, do that, and also follow me on my Instagram. Follow Mridul Sharma and Anam Chashmawala, and yeah, subscribe to my channel to become a part of the Potato Fam. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.